the success of the Innovation Center is a remarkable story of what you can do with community collaboration, a dream, and hard work.
As part of an economic development initiative, a wet lab, a core wet lab facility was imagined by the economic development group in Kalamazoo, in southwestern Michigan, with the thought that increasingly very talented and skilled people were electing to remain in this region as their careers may have otherwise taken them outside of the region. They were electing to stay here and found that the Innovation Center offered a home for them to continue to apply their skills and talents, and an environment where their entrepreneurial skills could be developed with a lot of assistance and support. It's heavily populated with people who have a demonstrated successful track record, people who have developed INDs, people who have participated in new drug applications, people who have developed from the moment of aha or eureka moments all the way to a marketed pharmaceutical. And as they now present themselves to the rest of the world as a service industry or as a technology-based development company, they have the skills, the experience, the history of success. And we're finding that that has attracted not only capital, but even new talent to the community.
The Southwest Michigan Innovation Center is a purpose-built wet laboratory building. The laboratory building itself is 58,000 square feet. We have 11,000 square feet of meeting and office space. What the Innovation Center provides is everything from the simplest parts of doing a business, including having the laboratory, conference rooms, telephones, IT connection. But in addition, we have experienced people around who step in, for example, during quarterly meetings and meet with the clients of the Innovation Center. We provide access to sources of funding. We help them find venture capitalists. We help them find state funding and other local funding. So we have both sides. We have intellectual property companies as well as the contract research organizations. The Innovation Center reaches out to the individual entrepreneurs by providing access to sophisticated instrumentation and lab space at a very reduced cost. We also provide in the Innovation Center access to scores of people who have had global life science experience that can step in to help them, oftentimes pro bono, to help them develop their next idea.
There's definitely an increase in biotechnology, biopharma type of drugs being developed. And a lot of these come from big pharma scientists who get displaced, have skills, and they want to apply those in their own way. And they go out and they look for laboratory space to really take those ideas and run with them. Launch My Lab came about because there's really a need for the client companies at the Innovation Center to have support using sophisticated equipment. In some cases it's mass spectrometry, other cases flow cytometry, but also a general area where scientists can come in where they don't have the funding to set up their own lab. We built a lab that is specifically dedicated to those type of scientists who can come in, use the equipment we've set up, use the laboratory we've set up as their company, and really start experiments to generate data to get funding.
Vestron is a biotechnology company, one of Michigan's leading ag biotechnology companies. We're developing peptides isolated from spiders that are environmentally benign and for the environmentally conscious 21st century. We are a small company. We came here with just one employee, and we've built now to 12 or so. And in growing a company like that, you need to be in a building such as this. First of all, in order to do the science, to do wet science in the laboratories, but also to have sort of a critical mass of services available so that you don't have to put in place all of that infrastructure yourself, that it's here. And Southwest Michigan Innovation Center has done that for us. The Innovation Center has brought attention to us that has been helpful in garnering the financial support to continue the company during a phase in which we're not selling product, but we're actually developing it and need funds to move forward.
This is the 10th anniversary of the Southwest Michigan Innovation Center, and what an incredible journey it's been. The number of people that have had jobs, the amount of science that has gone forward. So the 10 years is a reflection of everything that has changed in so many ways in the life science industry and how the companies have adapted. One of the reasons for the success of the Innovation Center is the collaboration between a wide variety of groups. Those groups include our local economic development partner, Southwest Michigan First. We interact regularly with Western Michigan University. We sit in the Business Technology Research Park of WMU. We've been blessed with incredible support from the state of Michigan, especially from the Michigan Economic Development Corporation. They've provided grants not only to the Innovation Center, but also to many of our companies. We also have support from the City of Kalamazoo and the County of Kalamazoo. And in addition, we have private donors that have been very kind and supported the entrepreneurial work at the Innovation Center.
In the big scheme of life sciences, I think we're going to continue to see diagnostic and therapeutic companies getting closer and closer together as their science becomes more interrelated. And we're also going to see big pharmaceutical companies continuing to push research, basic research, down to smaller companies. In our region, we still have tens of thousands of people employed in healthcare, employed in the life sciences industry, that are eager, willing, capable of helping large companies, medium-sized companies, small companies learn more about their product, help them learn more about the diseases they're attempting to treat or diagnose. And it's a very rich environment for development work.
The challenge will be to bring together the incredible knowledge base and a diminished funding source to focus on the things that are most important. The Innovation Center does that by bringing together all the forces in the region, the collaborative forces to support the entrepreneurs.
These people have demonstrated success in spades, and we just are very pleased with the story of the Innovation Center.